Okay, let's say we're looking at a function and we want to identify the domain and range of this function. Once again, we are going to look for the domain first, which is look at the x values here. So I'm looking at all the values that will appear on this horizontal line as is. Now, if you look here, starting at 0, we have a value at 0, we have a value at -1, we have a value at -2, value at -3, value at -4, and then -5. And it's going to keep on going, right? It's going to go all the way to -infinity. Same thing is true on the right? We have value at 1, value at 2. Notice I'm looking at these x values here, right? Value at 3, value at 4. So the function appears at all of those spots. And what's actually super nice about the domain, you guys are going to love this. For most quadratics, almost all of them that we are going to look at, in the future this will change, the domain is going to be all real numbers, which can be represented as -infinity to +infinity, right? That's every single number. Every single number is in between -infinity to +infinity. The range is going to be your trickier one. So again, the range, I want to find the lowest value and then the highest value. So how low does this function go? It's like limbo. These arrows are pointed down, right? These arrows are going down. The function is trending downward. So the lowest that the function is going to go is -infinity. Why? Because they're never stopping. The arrows mean that they don't stop. These arrows don't mean go to -100 and that's it. No, they go on forever. So now let's look at how high the function goes. The function looks like a mountain, right? It's kind of like a cliff. And the highest it goes is here. It touches 3 right there, and that's as high as it goes. That's the furthest it goes up this y-axis, this line right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that the range goes from -infinity to 3. And I'm going to use the bracket to indicate that it goes to 3. If I use the parentheses, it would mean it gets just right to 3. It doesn't touch 3, but it's like right there. Using the bracket indicates that it does at least touch 3. And for all of the ones that we're going to look at with the range, you're going to use a bracket somewhere.